Happy New Year! Say Happy New Year! Say Happy New Year! Very Happy New Year! Wow. 6 minutes, still going.
Oh, look at that. That's fucking.
It's huge.
Holy shit. Oh, that's not big. Oh, that's not fucking big. Oh,
That thing's still going.
That's the thing on the ground.
That looks kind of scary. Oh, that was nice.
Oh,
That
it's
was
still
so
going.
good.
Holy shit, that's the king on the ground. First one.
Still going. That kiki is wild. Organized the girls' rooms a bit, but they kind of messed it up. But their sheets are in the wash, so that's why it looks like that. And I am working on some Etsy orders. Link in bio if you guys want to check it out. Since I did the girls, might as well do ours. I'll get fresh sheets tonight. I'm not really a bed maker, but you know, I was gonna buy me another down comforter, but I'll just wait. This is fine, and I need to wash my maternity pillow, like my pregnancy pillow. And the girl sheets are all clean too. But I love this. It's so freaking soft. So watch out, it's hot. Okay, baby. It just finished. Blow. I was looking at the chickies, and look, they're all sleeping like on each other.
It's perfect.
Well, one is up, but look at them. They're never this quiet. Look at them.
Doug, go with Jen.
I'm so sad. I had to cancel Elia's birthday party. So, and all these things are like her party stuff, except for these right here. But I'm canceling her party. It's supposed to be on Saturday. That's in 2 days. So we just got to my appointment. I don't know if I said this before, but I've been having a lot of pressure, like really low, like down here. Oh, my stomach looks so like a ball. But like a lot of pressure like down here, and I feel like her moving. And I don't know if it's just my head or if it's really her moving that low. So I'm gonna tell my doctor about that, because I don't think she's supposed to be that low. I know my last appointment, which was 2 weeks ago, she was head down already. And I have a lot of movement low down there, but like under my belly, like I can feel her like right here. It's kind of freaking me out a little bit. I'm 31 weeks and 4 days, 3 days. I make 32 weeks, officially 8 months on Monday. It's coming close. So we came home to presents. This is my mattress for my crib from my brother. This is my Christmas gift. Well, one of them. This is Elia's birthday present. My mom sent a box. And then there's one for me. I'm guessing for my birthday. I'm not sure. My birthday is on the 20th or I don't know. But she got something for Ari, but the hanger got stuck, so I kind of ripped it. So I'm going to let Ari open it. And then it looks like a blanket and some type of tumbler. So I'm going to let Ari choose. And then I'm going to open mine. Sorry. I'm just sitting on the rug next to the chickadees in the dark because Leah is knocked out over there. But Ari is taking a shower, so I'm going to shower that after. Oh, my nickname from my mom's side is Woody, given by my godmother, my mom's sister. I don't know what this is. I feel like it's like, it feels like a makeup palette, but I don't know. It is. It's makeup. I don't remember the last time I got a new type of makeup. Oh my god, I'm excited. Like, I'm so out of it with makeup. I don't even know what this is. Like, I know it's Tartlet in Bloom, but I have no idea like what it looks like. Nothing. So you guys are gonna find out with me. Oh shoot. Paper's coming out. Oh, ooh. This smells good. Oh, this is a nice mirror. Hey. Look, it's nice and neutral. I love it. Thanks, Mom. Man, it's been a while since I got a new type of makeup. Like, I'm shocked. Like, it felt like a palette, but I wasn't sure because I don't know. And I don't ever keep these. I throw it away. Or the box. I love it though. I'm guessing it's my birthday present, but I opened it early. So, I didn't bring my camera with me because I didn't expect to go anywhere else. But we went to the movies with Lucky's parents and like his family, like all his brothers, and his cousin was there, and we watched Jumanji 2, and it's really funny. You should watch it. If you didn't watch the first one, then you're not really gonna understand like certain parts, so you should watch the first one if you're gonna watch the second one. And then right after that we went to Outback. We met up with Licky because Licky finished work, and we had dinner. It was like a party of 12, and then Licky's mom and dad paid for us, so thank you, thankful. And now we're home. Ari's in the shower. I'm gonna shower me and Leah after Ari, and then Licky should be home pretty soon. He had to stop at the bank since we drove separately. And yeah, I'm so out of breath. Like, my stomach is so sore. Oh, remember how I said that her head was low? Her head is low. Her head is down there. But it's, the doctor said that it's all good, so I guess it's nothing to be worried about or concerned about. But yeah, I think this is gonna be the end of this vlog. Happy New Year, happy holidays, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye, and don't forget to go in my link below for my baby list registry and my Etsy account. Licky's here. I hear.